Welcome to Crypto and Coffee. And today's episode, we are going to play a great crypto game, Forest Night, a game that resides on the engine ecosystem. So I hope you're going to enjoy every bit of it and learn the beginning of my gameplay into this game. So I hope you really enjoy. This game is completely free. Enjoy the show, my friend. Ciao, ciao. I am in a game of Forest Night right now. As you can see, I am on the main screen. I'm not an expert on this game. I just started yesterday, and I just play a little bit around with the adventure mod. So now, what we're going to do? Let's try to explore the mine sections. So mine are. So we're going to play. Sorry, is in French. So we are going to enter and do some battles into the battlefield. So we have three players. I have three opponent with partner with me, two, and the main character. This is the one here, as you can see. So we need to move. We're going to advance two step, and then so let's keep. Oh, I get a damage. So let's keep fighting. I'm going to play it here. So we need to fight and need to take some coffee. So if you like this kind of content, smash the like button, press the notification bell, and subscribe to these channels, my friend. We're going to play here. Oh, so let's go. Let's try the next levels. If we can fight, we can beat two opponents, and then we're going to play a little bit the adventure mode. So let's keep fighting. So let's go. They're going to attack us. Now we're going to let me check what we can do. Let's see, activate. Thunder Strike. Oh, big damage. This is awesome, my friend. So we're going to activate the stuff here. Only Battleground! Oh, that's cool. So now we need to move around here. And so we keep fighting. We need to go to the next one. We have two person to let's try again here. Let's see if we can fight. Oh, they are hard to kill. So no, this is not cool. So we need to cannot do that. Forget about that. Oh, make big damage. So we need to fight back again, and then we move around. So victory. Was it? Oh, no, I have reached level 5. This is really cool. So let's go back here. No, we're going to go back to the city. Okay, have increased it. So okay, we can go to the boutique. We can buy equipment for our people. That's really awesome. How much I have? Only 1,200. So I can pay what we can buy for our. Very expensive. So we can purchase probably. Let's try to acheter. Okay, so we're going to see if I can go to open. We can open a chest. Oh, so let's see arrows. Okay, so I just purchased. Let's see equip. So now I have 2 a spear, and we have 2 pieces of equipment. Really cool. So now we have the hero. We can purchase equipment, equip. We have 3% here. Now level 6, we can mine kite. So what we can do here, okay. So now we're going to play the adventure mode. I'm learning at the same time. So as you can see, I have already won 6 fields. Let's go see this if we can pass the 7. Will be probably hard. So this is really, really cool. Oh, so we need to destroy the stuff in front of us. So probably what we're going to do is go there, and then this will be really hard. So we need to move around, and we need, okay, so oof. So we need to strike back, then fight back here, then destroy. This is really hard. So when you keep going, so as you can see, the more you advance in adventure modes, the more it's harder. So we need to kill this one. So we need to advance. Let me check if we can do something. Yeah, we can activate this one, the roll and jump clash. So now what we're going to do? Okay. Not this. Okay. Okay, we need to. We won. So that's really cool. So we get a lot. We get a nice a nice piece of equipment. So we just want to see something. Let's go back to the town, and we'll come back here after that. So we're going to see heroes. So we have a spear. 80, I'm not quite sure. It's the same. So let's go back here. We have equip. Only battleground, so we don't have it here. Equip. So the spears is only him. Probably is this one. And this one, what we can do with it. Okay. So we just put the knife. I'm not quite sure how these things work. But let's go back to the battlefields. That's really cool. So we're going to try the 8. If we can fight this, we're going to have a nice reward. So we're going to try a little bit. So we need to advance. Okay, so we have 3 fighters. So let's move here, here, and here. So they're going to make the move. So we need to go fight back. Let's go see. So they are far away. Okay, so now we're going to fight back. We're going to activate the original background. Holy Battleground! That's really cool. So we need to fight back here. So we cannot activate. So let's go fight back. Ay caramba! It's really hurt me. So we need to strike back. We're going to activate this one. Probably Thunder Strike! Oh, it's dead. Not yet. So we need to fight back here. So we need to fight back here. I'm going to activate the clash. Jump clash. Oh! So we got a nice reward. So let's go back to the, if we go try the 9. Fight! So this is really cool. So we need to advance a lot when we have a sense of progression. So what we can do here, okay. Okay, we need to. Oh, they can destroy us remotely. So let's try to kill this one. we need to keep going. Oof, this is really hard. Let's try to kill this one. Thunder Strike! Oof. So we need to kill this one. Okay, plus 20. Now we need to strike back. We can activate Clash, Jump Clash. This is really nice. We can advance here. This doesn't matter, so let's so we need to attack this one here. This one here, and this. No, this is not worth it. No, continue. Keep going. So now we have one more to kill. Let's try here. Yes, we want. That's cool. Let's come back. So I'm going to try number 10 and the first enemy. So we keep going. This is really fun when you have a sense of progression into a game, build into Forest Night. Oof. So we just need to be careful. We have 3 enemies here. So let's say. So we need to keep going. Okay. Now they're going to attack us. So let's try to go here. And then here. Oh! So we need to fight back. I'll activate this one. Holy Battleground! So now we're going to try him. Okay, now let's keep going. Oh my god. So we keep going here. Oh. Tool. So okay, I'm going to activate this one, so I'm going to make big damage. Thunder Strike. Oh, that's really cool, but it's not dead yet, so we need to fight back. Activate Jump Clash. So this is really cool. We can fight back. Okay, we cannot fight back. So let's. Okay, so we got 75 XP. That's really cool. And now we're going to let's go back to the town. Now we're going to fight the enemy. 2000 HP. Oof! This will be an instant battles. This is really cool. We're going to fight this enemy. Oof! I don't say anything. So we need. Okay, so we need to push here. Okay, so now we're going to fight here. We can do something. No, okay, let's go. It's going to attack. Oh, make a lot of damage. Let's activate this one. Holy Battleground! This is really cool. So you need to plan accordingly. So we need to. No, we're going to activate. No, it's not worth it. No, keep going. So now we're fighting. We don't know. Okay, Fento. So we need to fight back. Fight back. Yes, we won. We won. That's really cool. So return back. So as you can see, we have really claimed the first stage, and then we have more stage to go. This is pretty cool. Okay, you have a lot. How many you have? Oof. Until 60. Oof, when you see, I'm an emulator, and when I switch the screen, we will see. Let's try. Let's keep fighting. Let's go back to the town. I think we receive a nice piece of equipment, so we're just going to equip, not equip. Let's go to boutique, not boutique. What we're going to do? Heroes. Okay, we receive a nice not equip here. We have 2 spears. Okay, we don't have anything. Améliorer. What we can do? Ah, we can increase our oh, nice. We can increase the stats when you get this is really really cool. Let's try again. We cannot increase this one here. That's really cool. So what we can try to do, so we need to unlock a level 8 quest, mine, boutique, heroes. As you can see, you have the crafting as well. I'm not quite sure how these things work. You have the skins. You see I have a lot of options on this game. You have exchange, I'm not quite sure. Probably you can purchase some stuff on it. So so we can claim the reward, I believe. That's really cool. Okay, so we have the progression, so we can go here, claim. Oh, we can claim as well. That's really cool. So I hope you really enjoyed the first video I made about Forest Night, crypto game that I'm trying to learn how this thing is working. It's completely free. You can start your journey without put any money on this game. It's completely free, but you have a chance. You have a lot of stuff to do. I put it on French, but you can play in English or probably many other languages, probably. I hope so. But anyway, so see you on the next video. Have a great day ahead. So if you like this kind of content, subscribe, smash the like button, and press the notification bell. And have a great day. You have all my gratitude if you are watching until the end. So thank you so much. See you on the next video and have a great day ahead. Ciao, ciao.